Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 2022, Marvel Avengers Campus opened at Walt Disney Studios Park at Disneyland Paris. It replaced the former Backlot that housed Armageddon, special effects, and Roller Coaster Starring Aerosmith. The coaster was rethemed to Avengers Assemble Flight Force, adding Iron Man and Captain Marvel. Spider-Man Web Adventure took inspiration from Web Slingers in California. The training center and heroic encounters completed the land, and it looks awesome, don't you think? Have you been there? I'd sure like to go. Anyway, have a magical day.